Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 7i, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, like Play Store. Then click on Home button and select the other app, in my case Chrome. You can click on Home button right away or select this square one to access background apps. Now, when you see two of your apps opened in the background, select one of them that you wish to use on the top half of your screen. In my case, Play Store. Then click on the icon of your app, tap on Split Top, and click on the other one, in my case Chrome. As you can see, finally, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!